Welcome back to Bilal Consultancy Limited, your go-to channel for business insights and strategies. Today, we'll be delving into a powerful tool that can streamline your decision-making process and maximize efficiency: the Impact Effort Matrix. The Impact Effort Matrix, also known as the Eisenhower Matrix, is a simple yet effective tool designed to help you prioritize tasks or projects based on their impact and the effort required. It's an excellent framework to allocate your resources smartly and achieve optimal results. Also called Effort Matrix, Impact Matrix, 2x2 Matrix. The Impact Effort Matrix is an advanced tool for root cause analysis, RCA, that can help you take action once the root cause has been identified. Like force field analysis, a more basic RCA tool, the Impact Effort Matrix was designed specifically for the purpose of deciding which of many suggested solutions to implement. It provides answers to the question of which solutions seem easiest to achieve with the most effects. Impact Effort Matrix Procedure. Construct an Impact Effort Matrix through the following steps. Retrieve suggested solutions from previous discussions. Construct an empty diagram with the effort required to implement the solution on the horizontal axis and the impact of the solution on the vertical axis, and divide it into 4 quadrants. Assess the effort and impact for each solution. Place the solutions in the diagram according to these assessments. Use a symbol, color, or label to identify each possible solution. Solutions falling into the upper left-hand quadrant will yield the best return on investments and should be considered first. Example: during admission to a long-term acute care hospital, LTAC, a patient destabilized and suffered cardiac arrest requiring emergency transportation to the hospital. An ambulance service was dispatched to transport the patient stat. The nursing staff photocopied portions of the chart for transport with the patient, and additional portions of the chart were faxed to the emergency room after the patient had departed the LTAC. Once at the emergency room, the patient was treated according to the presenting symptoms and history included in the photocopied chart pages. It was only when the fax chart materials were received that a nurse recognized that the transported chart copies were for another LTAC patient on the same unit. This precipitated a change in treatment prior to giving the patient a medication to which they were highly allergic. The event was investigated, and several proposed solutions surfaced. Create a policy for matching patient ID to chart ID at every point in transfer. Train every employee on patient identification policy. Barcode patient ID bands and charts and match before transport. Implant a radio frequency identification, RFID, tag under the skin of patients and attach to each medical chart for matching at each transfer point. These 4 proposed solutions were assessed for effort and impact and then plotted with corresponding numbers. Figure 1. Clearly showing that using barcodes on patient ID bands and charts would be the obvious first option. Let's break it down. The matrix consists of 4 quadrants. High impact, low effort. In this quadrant, you'll find tasks or projects that yield significant results but require minimal effort. These are your quick wins, the low-hanging fruit that you should tackle first. High impact, high effort. Here lie the crucial tasks that can bring substantial benefits but demand substantial effort. These are your priority items. Allocate resources wisely and ensure a structured plan to tackle them effectively. Low impact, low effort. These are the tasks that don't offer much in terms of outcomes and also don't require a lot of effort. They're the nice-to-have tasks, but they should be approached cautiously as they can potentially distract you from higher priority items. Low impact, high effort. Lastly, we have tasks that demand significant effort but don't contribute significantly to your goals. It's crucial to avoid or minimize these tasks as they can consume resources without providing substantial benefits. Impact Effort Matrix Resources. Beyond the basics, quality progress. This article throws the spotlight on the 7 management and planning tools to help innovate, communicate, and plan, including the Impact Effort Matrix. Building a consensus, quality progress. Certain well-known 2x2 matrices are used by quality professionals to facilitate decision-making and prioritization. For example, the Impact Effort Matrix. A new but similar tool, the consensus chart, can drive improvement activities identified during the development or operation of a quality system process. Now, let's apply this matrix to a real-world scenario. Imagine you're a manager with a limited budget and numerous projects on your plate. By using the impact effort matrix, you can identify which projects to prioritize. For instance, a project with high impact but low effort, such as optimizing existing processes, would fall into the quick wins quadrant. Conversely, a project like developing a new product might fall into the high impact, high effort quadrant, signifying its critical importance but requiring significant resources. In essence, the impact effort matrix serves as a compass for effective decision-making, allowing you to focus on tasks that yield the most significant results. By understanding where each task or project falls within this matrix, you can strategize better, manage resources efficiently, and achieve your business objectives more effectively. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and leave your comments below. Until next time, stay efficient and make an impact.